Hey! Look at this frayed belt I'm checking out. I reckon pull that. I'm still gonna have a frayed belt. Oh well. It's gonna cost me. So here we are. Bonnet's off, but no proper plates. We're going for a drive up the street, down the street. A maiden street voyage. Go.
Nice and bouncy. Oh.
That goes much better. Wow. It's had a service. What else does she have? Filters, new oil, clean. I did a injector cleaner. That's called an injector cleaner. Went through her. Listen to this. It's the thrust race bearing. Whoa, it's thrust. Home sweet home. We made it. So here we are in the bus.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got anything to say, Dash?
Starting to visualize what it is a bit more.
Yeah. We've had more time to play, and I have had a lot.
Mentally.
Yeah, the last 2 weeks I've been in just pulling this thing apart, rust, welding, buying parts, buying pieces. It's been fun, but I'm more familiar with what I'm working with now. Something that's important about threads, they get dirty, they wear, so you want to go forward, go back, a little bit more forward, go back, a little bit more forward, go back, especially when there's dirt. And this is where all the dirt collects from the roof, and that's why we had to do the repair of rust in this section. Yes, it's been very frustrating. Look, my finger's getting better. This is from welds. Yes. Got all hot and hard. Touch some heat. This thing got repaired, broken a few. What? This was episode 2. I broke it. I repaired it, broke it again. This is the 3rd time, and it's coming apart again.
What is it?
It's a brake cylinder vacuum booster plastic connector. So right now we got the new wipers in. Woohoo, wipers are in. Whew. So Zara's gonna test them.
Right now?
Come on, yeah, you can test them. And pass me the wipers are in the back. Push out the wipers.
Do Do you want to explain why we haven't brought an episode out for a while?
Oh, you look around.
It's been raining a lot.
A lot of water. A lot. We've got how much rain? I've been looking.
200 mils in one day.
Yeah. Been looking for this for like an hour and it just appeared. I'm not even doing that job. Anyway.
Because I'm good luck.
We've got a lot of rain. So I'm going to put the bonnet back on because this is in. And the plan is to have it done before any more rain comes.
Okay. I think it's time for tea and cake.
Okay. Alright, we're out.
Peace.